Hi folks, and welcome to the trailer for my upcoming YouTube channel. If you like videos about cars, especially Cadillacs, or anything with a motor that you can have fun in, maybe you just like a good old how-to video. Well, if so, you're going to like something on my channel. I'm Daniel, car enthusiast, corporate jet pilot, and lover of all things fast and fancy. I live in the San Francisco Bay Area where everybody has a Tesla or a Prius, but I'm driving the Cadillac cts-v Sport. It's not the cts-v, it's the V's little brother. It comes from the factory with a twin-turbo V6 pushing 420 horsepower, 430 foot-pounds of torque, and I cannot wait to tell you why I absolutely love driving this car in a future episode. But for now, here's a look at some of the other content to come. The rat. This car is driving itself. Obviously, I really like Cadillacs and sports sedans in general, but I have a healthy appreciation for all types of cars, no matter how simple or ridiculous. Now, if you liked my video, hit the like button, and I want to know from you what content you'd like to see in future episodes, so comment below and let me know. Also, subscribe and hit the bell button to be notified of future episodes. Now, by popular demand, my first episode will be a how-to video on installing spark plugs and ignition coils in the LF3 motor of the cts-v Sport. Until then, thanks for watching the Jet Fuel Only channel. It seems like everybody's driving Teslas and Priuses. Are you sure? Like everybody drives Teslas or Prius. Oh God. Like everybody's driving Teslas and Priuses.